Good morning, grade 2. Welcome to EVS class. Learners, today we are going to start our new chapter, Parts of a Plant. Learners, as our body has so many parts, in the same way, a plant also has so many parts. We see a huge variety of plants all around us. Let us know in details about the classification of plants. Okay? We see many plants around us. Plants are generally green in color. They are of different shapes and sizes. Different plants grow at different places. Generally means in most cases. And shapes form of an object. And sizes how large or small is something. Clear? You have seen so many plants, some are small and some are big in size. Okay. Now types of plants. On the basis of size and types of stem, plants of different types, these are trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Okay. Now we will read about these in details. First of all, trees. Big and strong plants are called trees. A tree has a thick, hard and woody stem called trunk. This is the trunk of a tree. The stem gives rise to many branches. So many branches are here. Trees live for many years. They give us shade and many useful things. Learners, you know, a tree gives us shade and so many things. Banyan, gulmohar, people and coconut are examples of trees. You know, learners, trees are big and tall plants. Largest size is tree. Second is shrubs. Small plants with woody stem are called shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have a thin and hard stem. They have many branches rising from the ground. They live for a few years. Rose, hibiscus, henna and cotton plants are some examples of shrubs. We can see here shrubs. Shrubs are medium-sized woody plants, taller than herbs and shorter than a tree. This is shorter than a tree. Okay. Now we will read about herbs. Very small plants are called herbs. Herbs have thin green and soft stem. They live only for a few months. Grasses, coriander, spinach and mint are examples of herbs. Yes, learners, you can see here, these are herbs. Okay, herbs are small size plants. Is this small? Yes. This is very small plant with soft, green, delicate stem. Without the woody tissues. You can see? Yes. Next is climbers. Climbers are small plants with a soft and weak stem. They need support to climb up and grow. Pea plants and money plants are climbers. Learners, I think you have seen money plants. This is money plant. These need to climb support, any support to climb. Climbers are much more advanced than creepers. Okay. Next is creepers. Creepers are plants with a weak stem that grow along the ground. Some creepers bear big fruits. Bottle gourd, bitter gourd, pumpkin, and watermelon are examples of creepers. Creepers, as the name suggests, are plants that creep on the ground. They have very thin stem. You can see that can neither stand erect nor support all its weight. It is unable to bear the weight. Okay, learners, we have read about different types of plants. Now we will read about the parts of a plant. This is flower. This is leaf. And what is this? Fruit. And this is stem. And what is this? Root. Okay, learners. Now, remaining part of this chapter we will read in the next session. If you have any query, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.